Are you tired of boring and conventional text designs? Well, look no further, as in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a corner effect to your text in Photoshop. Let's dive in. First, make a selection of your text by pressing the Ctrl key and clicking on the layer thumbnail. Press Ctrl and C to copy the selection. After that, head over to the Select menu and disable the selection. Now, create a new layer and head over to the Filter menu to create a vanishing point. Once you are there, start drawing a perspective grid using the Edit Plane tool. After the drawing, select the Create Plane tool to extend the other end of the corner. Good. Now let's paste the copy text onto our plane using Ctrl and V on the keyboard. Perfect. Now click on OK to confirm. Let's give the text the last touch by creating some shadows. Select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection on one side of the text. Choose the brush tool and set the flow to 50% and start painting. Nice! Our corner text effect is now ready. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in the next one.